What's wrong?
I have this piece of wood that I just need a little bit to take off of, and I can't do it with a saw.
Well, I'm sure glad you called for help because I can help you with that.
What would we use?
Well, we would use a file. Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I want to talk to you about files, how to use them, and the difference between that and a RASP. All right, friends, so we have different types of files for different types of functions. So sorry. We have flat files, and then we have rounded files. We also have something that looks like a file, but it's not a file. This is called a RASP. A RASP is meant to take a lot more wood off in a little amount of time. It's almost like a cheese grater. It's really, really rough. Where a file is meant to take off just a little bit of material and not too much at once. You can also have a rounded file that produces a rounded shape, and you could have files that are more aggressive or less aggressive, smaller teeth. Now, a file only works in one direction. It only works on the forward stroke. If you pull it back, you're not going to take any material off. You can pull it back if you want, but you're not really doing anything. It only works in one direction. So if I want to smooth up the sides of my piece, I can use a file. Some of the files have teeth on the side, so I can really get a nice square corner. Others you wouldn't want to use on a square corner because it would produce a rounded profile. So these are what files are. These are files. They're meant to shape wood or metal, depending on what you're doing. This is a RASP, and it's meant to take off a lot of material in a short amount of time. So there you go, folks. Remember to work hard with your files or whatever tool you're using, because hard work's its own reward. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.